Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I'm an official member of ForexBD. Today I will share you about weekly analysis after a long time. That means I will analyze the market movement for this week and share my prediction for you. Earlier we gave many video on weekly analysis where we got your response, and now we are starting weekly analysis again as we have received your many requests. So watch the video carefully, and those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Here is ForexBD's another new channel. I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. You will get awesome video from this channel because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go to the main topic. At the beginning, Euro USD. As you can see here, I have drawn the analysis, and here you can see the market is still in the big channel. I am now in the 4-hour time frame. So here you see the trend line that I draw. Here the market has created a pattern of up and down. Every time the market is pushed back by touching trend line. So here the market position showing nicely. So our prediction is that the market will raise from here to this trend line and then go down again with retest, and the market is likely to come down to this point. And if there is no breakout in this market, then the market will definitely go up. The market can make some correction when it goes up from here, but ultimately it can be said that the market will come to this trend line, and the possibility of pushing down from here is more because we are getting trend line in this place and we are getting resistance. So hopefully market will come and push and go down again. So there is the analysis of this pair. Next, GBP USD. I am now in this pair in H4 time frame. So I have analyzed the market to explain to you easily and in a short time. Here you can see that the market has broken out the trend line in this place, and the market has gone up a lot, but you can see that there is a resistance in this place. So the market has gone down in this place. So hopefully the market will be on a downtrend for a long time, and since there is a trend line in this place, the market can go down with some correction in this place. Then you can see that there is a support zone in this place. So the market can come up in this point and go down again. I say again, the market has go down due to the push in this place. So hopefully the market will be on a downtrend for a long time, and since there is a trend line in this place, the market can go down with some correction in this place. Then you can see that there is a support zone in this place. So the market can come up to this point and go up again. So this is the analysis of GBP USD. Now we are in USD CHF. Here I am in H4 time frame, and you can see the market was in downtrend for a long time. Then it came here and pushed up, then down again for a long time. So our prediction in this pair is that the market will go uptrend by pushing in support, because here you can see a support and the market has been on a downtrend for a very long time. So it's expected that the market will be uptrend for a long time after pushing this support, but the market can make some correction here, but ultimately the market is expected to come up to this resistance. Next, USD JPY. You can see here that the market has gone up and down here. The market has gone up and down from this place, then it has gone up again by pushing the support. Then it has gone down by pushing the resistance. The market was between up and down. Here you can see I have drawn the trend line here. Since the market has given a correction in this place, so hopefully the market will go down and push this place and stay on uptrend for a long time. Although there is a resistance here, the market will raise with some correction in this place, but it's expected that the market will push down this place and go down again. If the market break out in this place, then the market will go down. USD CAD. In this pair I am in H4 time frame, and here you can see the market is in a trend. So you can see the market has gone down for a long way. Then it has gone up and down with retest. It has gone up with retest in this place and down again in this place. It can be assumed that the market has created a bearish flag pattern. So if the market breaks this trend line, then the market can be expected to go down. You can see a support below. So it's expected that the market will come to this point and push up again. I am saying again that the market has created a bearish flag pattern here. So if the market breaks out in this place, the market will go down and it's more likely to go up again by pushing this support. Now many may ask, what is the flag pattern? We have already uploaded a video on this topic. So those who don't know this strategy must watch this video. I will request you watch this video carefully. Then you can learn a good strategy of Forex. This is the analysis of your favorite channel for this week. So I will tell you again, you should watch this video carefully. I hope it will be useful for you. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same. So you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good. So you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by ForexBD's link, you will get benefit. ForexBD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Nettler account by ForexBD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by ForexBD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. I think you like this video, so a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. ForexBD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, Tata.